Hello, this is a video for the bead lovers. I'm back again after a very long time, and now we are here with our first art. So if you haven't subscribed and this is your first time, know that you will have more of this, and please subscribe. So I'm going to show you how to bead this on the heart, the beadwork on the heart. And so let's get started. First of all, you're going to have the beads, the small size beads, and a needle and thread, and I'm going to show you from here. That's where I started from. You're going to have your 3 black beads, 1 white, 2 black, and 3 whites, 2 black, 1 white, and 3 black again. You're going to take your needle and pass through the beads that you already aligned on the thread, like I'm doing now. Then you just pull the needle up, as you're doing this, be careful, the needle can hurt you. Also, after this, you're going to pass the needle down, not up, just below the many threads. Then you pick again the required beads, which I've written on the top there. If I don't mention, please just look on the video and you will see. Here I'll pick 2 black, 2 white, 2 black, 1 light blue, 1 white, 1 light blue, 2 black, 2 white, and 2 black. Then again, you're going to go back to the many threads, and you can see my thread is under the threads, so you're just going to make sure every bead goes through the between the threads, like I'm doing now, like that. I know some of you may be worried, saying that I started not at the beginning, but this is the same thing that I did, so you can still start from the beginning the way I did. That's how I started there. The pattern is repeating itself, so just go through with your needle. Make sure your needle does not come from downward. Make sure it's coming on the upper side, so that you don't remove, it doesn't come out. The third one is black, 1 black, 3 white, 2 black, and 1 light blue, 1 white, 1 light blue, 2 black, 3 whites, and 1 black. The next one is 1 black, 2 white, 1 light blue, 2 black, 1 red, 1 light blue, 1 red, 2 black, 1 light blue, and 2 white, and 1 black. You do the same thing, just go through with your needle like I'm doing now, like that. And then you pass the needle with a thread, the same needle that you're using, you pass them below the threads, like that. Again, you pick beads for the next one to make the pattern. 1 black, 1 white, 1 light blue, 1 red, 2 black, 3 red, 2 black, 1 red, 1 light blue, 1 white, and 1 black. Make sure you're keen on your colors you're picking, because if you pick a wrong one, the pattern will not be the same. It will be like you're creating your own, and will be so bad for you. On to the next line, I picked 1 black, 1 light blue, 1 red, 1 white, 3 black, 1 red, 3 black, 1 white, 1 red, 1 light blue, and 1 black. So the pattern is just repeating itself. And after you finish this video, if in any case you're following whatever I'm doing correctly and you end up with the same pattern, just repeat everything that you have done until you get your desired length. So I'm going to pick different beads. So I hope if you really want to make this pattern and to do this beadwork, make sure you follow every step and you pick the correct colors and number of beads. So I will not be saying all the colors that I picked from here. Just look at the screen on top, you will see the number of beads that I am picking. Follow until the end of the video so that you come up with the same pattern for your hat. Maybe you can wear it as a choker, or you can decorate your hat with it, I don't know, or a bracelet. It can also make a bracelet, though it will be too large. Yeah, so if you're new here guys and you haven't subscribed, there are much more coming. Please do so and turn on the notification bell for more is coming. I'll be making such videos frequently. I know it has been a long, I haven't been doing this. I have my own reasons. Yeah, and I'm back guys. If you have something or a picture that you really want me to do for you, let me know, and you can also contact me on my Instagram, which I will put on this description box, the description of this video. So thank you guys for being here, and I hope you learn on this using my videos. Also, yeah, let me know if you don't get something. Let me know in the comment section. If I really helped you in this video to make the pattern, also let me know. Let's continue, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and you have your same pattern, a similar pattern as mine. Yeah guys, if you'd like me to do for you the beadwork at a cost, please reach me on my Instagram and let's talk business. Just check on my description box on this video and you will find my Instagram. Follow me there and leave me a text message.